Keeping your restrooms clean and stocked can seem like a never-ending challenge in an environment with many demands and competing priorities. Significant time is spent checking dispensers, long lines and traffic jams occur at high and peak traffic times, and a lot of space is needed to stock and transport different refills throughout the building. 45% of facility complaints come from the restroom, and 71% of cleaners agree that if dispensers were quicker and easier to refill, they would have more time for other cleaning tasks. Tork PeakServe Continuous Hand Towel is a family of dispensers that was designed specifically with these issues in mind. With a full lineup of innovative dispensers, we can offer you a solution that uses one refill while providing various versions to adapt to a range of restroom layouts and traffic flows. Tork PeakServe and Tork PeakServe Mini offer the same great benefits in two different sizes to accommodate various restroom traffic patterns and available wall space. Tork PeakServe recess cabinet adapters offer a solution to increase capacity up to 40% with no renovation needed. Tork PeakServe Automatic provides a solution with a concealed towel tail while still delivering on the reliability needed from a dispenser. With a 5-year battery life and 99.99% jam-free dispensing, the automatic dispenser will upgrade your restroom appearance and performance. Tork PeakServe hand towels are compressed by 50%, saving space in storage, on cleaning carts, and in shipping trucks. As a continuous system, the compressed Tork PeakServe bundles latch onto each other via a hook and loop material, so you experience uninterrupted dispensing. The ability to top up the system at any time, paired with high capacity, ensures a towel is always available without requiring significant daily adjustments to your maintenance routine. The result is a new standard of smooth, continuous towel flow and a dispenser that is slim and ADA compliant while delivering the highest capacity of any system on the market. The Tork PeakServe line of dispensers were designed with your needs specifically in mind. With 250% more hand towels than other systems, the longest battery life on the market, and the ability to top up the dispenser at any time, maintenance checks can be reduced and the time spent refilling is cut in half. Peak times deserve peak service. Let Tork PeakServe help you meet your guests' expectations. Please contact an Essity sales representative to learn more about how this line of dispensers can improve your restroom.